Hello everyone, my name is Sonny Cockart and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. And yeah, now I've actually cleaned the place properly and yeah, I can actually breathe again. And the dust is not gonna get in my lungs anymore. I'm actually on progress to getting better. Anyhow, without further ado, today's video is gonna be something a little bit different that I've discovered recently, and with recently I mean yesterday, is using your school mail, or any other mail for that fact, with your Gmail. Now, usually this has it has a couple of steps that you need to take, and it's very confusing, and it's kind of legacy. It's not really like something that's in your face like you can do in Gmail. It's kind of hidden in the settings, but it is really cool to send email to your school and sorts as if you were your school's email, and then send it through Gmail. So personally, I really like this feature because it means that I do not have to log into my office webmail in order to get access to all of my teachers and send them a mail via my school mail. Because our school has a policy that if we send mail to any of the teachers, we need to use our own school email so that they can easily identify us and that sort of stuff. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Being able to send an email as if you were your school email. And this works for most other email clients as well. You just need to know their SMPT server and your login credentials and you'll be good to go. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay everyone, so now we are on Google. We can go to Gmail and we can go and dig into the settings. So ignore my email please. So here on the right, on the top, we got settings. And this might be in a different location depending on how you configured your Gmail, but should be there. And really there's tons of settings you can change here, but we're gonna be looking mainly at accounts and import. So for today's practice purposes, I'm just gonna remove my current send as email, and you basically just go to this, and I actually am gonna delete this as well because I don't need that, because my school mail forwards to my Gmail. So we go to accounts and import, send email as, and we're going to add another email address. Now here you're just going to use your own name, or depending on what your username is on your school. And the email address is going to be your school email address. So I got mine here, and there we go. And now it wants the SMPT server. Now the one for Office is different than the one that they put there. So Office 365 SMPT. So you're gonna search for that and you're gonna look at this and you see it's smpt.office365.com, or the IMAP that's incoming is outlook.office365.com. I don't think it matters which one you pick. For this practice we're just gonna use the SMPT one. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna say in here, we're going to use SMPT server, this one, instead of the one that is on display. And the email, of course, is the exact same as the one that you used earlier. And the password, if I still have it, yes, then you use TLS to log in and add account. Simple as that. Port 587 for Office. Depending on what else kind of thing you got going on, it might be different. But now the change has to come through, and this is the weird thing. The mail will come in through spam. It won't come in through inbox, it will come in through spam. So a spam, get that code in here. I think this is the recent one. No, it's this one. And get that one code. Go back in here. No, I don't want to save it. Verify, and boom, you're in. It should be configured. And now if I go and compose, I can now do from my own email or my school email, and you can actually send it as if you were sending from that email. So that's really cool, and that's basically the function. That's basically what the function does. And yeah, but really try and dig into those settings because there's some really cool features in there, like removing all the damn categories and hiding all this crap that I don't need. Chat, like all this stuff that I don't need. Actually, the snoozed one I want back. Give me that one back. Inbox, where's snoozed? Labels, snoozed, show, thank you.
because I snooze my emails and I want to be able to see those again. Anyhow, that's basically it. That's basically all there is to it. And yeah, hopefully this has helped you out.
Now, like I said, hopefully this has helped you out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. And, you know, go to talk a little bit in the comment section. Tell me whether or not this has helped you. And go follow me on Instagram and Twitter for most of my news updates. And yeah, join our Discord to meet some more like-minded people. I want to thank you guys for watching. And hopefully I'll see you next time. And while you're going to be going, I'm going to be enjoying my Chinese food. Peace.